Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Sony. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now choose system, languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Then go into theme. Now you need to click on this plus sign under my themes and select one of images on your device by tapping on the chosen one, pinching it to scale and dragging it to move. When you're ready, choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, select Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. Lastly, choose Apply, and to enable back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!